Hello everyone. Today I'll be demonstrating you a very unique add-on by Quantum Code Solution. This particular add-on is developed with a pool of experts having more than 20 plus years of dedicated experience in this vertical. They have put in their sweat and blood to come up with such a unique solution which is not yet available in the market. Please bear with me for the couple of minutes and I'll walk you through what this particular add-on is, which technology is it developed on, what are the unique select propositions of this particular solution, and why should you as a customer must try it. Let's get started. Healthcare is not just about treating patients, it's about managing complexities. Every complexity all at the same time. When systems are disconnected, hospital loses time, revenue and visibility. And that's exactly why we have built MediQuad, a complete HIMS solution on Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. MediQuad is not just a regular hospital management system. It's a fully integrated, enterprise-grade healthcare platform that connects patients' care, clinical operations, diagnostic, pharmacy, insurance, billing, finance, HR, assets, and even management reporting, all within a single secured Microsoft ecosystem. Our HIMS solution have multiple modules. Firstly, we have core patients and clinical care module. Here we have subsections like patient registration and master management, smart appointment and scheduling, OPD IPD management, emergency and casualty management, bed and nursing station management, and electronic medical records for clear audit trails. We also have modules like clinical workbench for doctors and nursing workbench for nurses. Here, administrators get complete visibility and patients get faster, smarter care. MediQuad is also integrated with pharmacy with batch and expiry control, laboratory information system, radiology workflows with PACS integration, and operation theatre management. Since our MediQuad is developed on Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, hospitals get end-to-end billing and revenue cycle management, insurance and TPA processing, tariff and package management, inventory with expiry tracking, purchase and vendor control, finance and accounting module, everything. It's a true ERP powered healthcare system. Healthcare decisions also require real-time data for quick decisions. With MediQuad, you get real-time MIS dashboards, clinical and financial KPIs, audit logs and role-based security, and device and insurance connectivity. Now let me show you how the dashboard of MediQuad looks like. The image that you are seeing on the screen is the home dashboard that we have made on top of Business Central. Here at the center, administrators get the home section, wherein we have dashboard visibility, system setup, and approval workflows. Then we have a patient management module, wherein we can manage OPD IPD appointments and centralized patient records. Then we have appointments and OPDs, so right from consultation charges to pharmacy orders and draft billing, everything is automatically calculated into the billing cycle. Next, we have an emergency module because we understand that time matters in emergency cases and the system should support that. Apart from that, we have an IPD and bed management module. So right from admission to doctor consultation charges to nursing workbench, pharmacy order, report orders and draft billing, everything is linked with patient stay and bed allocation. Next we have investigation module, tariff module, master setup and configuration tab, ambulance services, purchase module, sales module, and lastly, finance module. With MediQuad, hospitals don't just digitize operations, they gain real-time control over clinical workflows, revenue, compliances, and growth. Now let me get you and show you how data entry is done within our solution. Just a few glimpses of it. Here we have a patient master. Let's see how a patient is entered in our MediQuad system. Every patient is assigned a unique ID, complete demographics, medical history, identification details, and billing information are all centralized in one single record. This becomes the single source of truth across the hospital. Once the patient is registered in our solution, the next step is scheduling an appointment. The system captures visit type, case ID, doctor allocation, appointment time, and availability, all linked automatically to the patient's record. Now the patient arrives for consultancy. As soon as the consultancy begins, charges can be added directly within the system. Doctor charges, specialization mapping, visit type. Everything is structured and tariff control. This ensures accurate billing from the very first interaction. But MediQuad is not just about billing. Let's step into the doctor workbench. Here, doctor manages prescription, medical reports, case summaries, allergies, and even convert OPD visits into IPD admissions, all in one verified workplace. During consultation, vital and diagnosis are also captured all in real time, like blood pressure, oxygen level, heart rates, ICD codes. Everything is digitally recorded and stored in the patient's medical history. If the patient requires admission, the system seamlessly converts it into an IPD. Now, the nursing workbench takes over. Nurses can manage routines, chartings, medication, administration, orders, discharge processes, all structured and auditable. Hospitals' operations are dynamics. So, if a room or bed transfer is required, it can be managed directly from the system. Transfer approvals, timestamps, reason tracking, everything is recorded. This ensures operational transparency and billing accuracy. Inside the nursing workbench, vitals are also recorded digitally. Blood pressure, oxygen, heart rate, temperature. Every entry is stored in the patient's longitudinal records. Thus, no more paper charts, lost files, or transcription errors. Beyond vitals, nurses can manage structured nursing orders, medication schedules, lab requests, special instruction, doctor-directed care plans. Each order is digitally recorded, time-stamped, and linked to the patient's admission. This ensures accountability, treatment accuracy, and clinical traceability. When the patient is ready for discharge, MediQuad ensures a smooth and controlled exit process. This includes discharge summary, final diagnosis, treatment history, medication instructions, and lastly, billing reconciliation. MediQuad enables comprehensive patient's reports. Here, you get clinical history, vital trends, medication records, investigation records, and lastly, billing summary, all generated digitally. Reports can be printed, shared, or securely stored within the system. Healthcare prices must be controlled and structured. Very important, right? So we have created a tariff management module. Here you can configure SOC based pricing, that is the standard charges, specialty based pricing, doctor specific pricing, insurance linked pricing, and package-based treatment bundles. This ensures accurate billing, standardized pricing, and policy-based charge automation. MediQuad is a fully configurable solution. So right from appointment master setup to department configuration to doctor specialization mapping, room categories, billing groups, insurance structures, everything is driven by structured master plans. This allows hospital to adapt the system to their operating model and not the other way around. Because MediQuad runs on Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, every transaction flows directly into the finance. Thus, revenue posting, expense tracking, inventory consumption, department-wise profitability, and general ledger integration. The full chart of accounts is managed within the ERP framework. Operational services extends beyond the hospital management. MediQuad also manages ambulance services, vehicle tracking, driver allocation, service charges, patient leakage, cost tracking. Emergency services are no longer disconnected from hospital billing and finance. Everything operates within one unified solution. QuantumQuad is a Microsoft Solutions partner. We don't just build applications, we architect scalable healthcare ecosystem. Our solution, MediQuad, is cloud ready, secured, scalable for multi-branch hospitals, built on global Microsoft standards, and lastly, customizable to your workflow. So, if you're planning to modernize your hospital operations, or if you want clinical excellence with financial discipline, or if you want one unified healthcare platform, MediQuad is built just for you.